This is another high voltage setup by which we can measure the dielectric strength of solid insulating material. Here we will check the dielectric strength of mica sheet, polythene sheet and leatherized paper. And see here the voltage is, we can generate 25 kV voltage, and this is high voltage setup. By changing this knob we can get the high voltage, and we will see the highest voltage how much we can generate. And we will see this is two electrode, here electrode 1 and electrode 2, and in between if we kept this dielectric material, it is leatherized paper, it is one polythene sheet, and this is one another mica sheet. If we placed here, and if we gradually increase the voltage, what will happen? From one electrode to another electrode, and in between if we place the dielectric material, and then due to electric pressure, we will see this paper will be breakdown, and we will see there will be a puncture. And present now you can visualize there is no puncture, that's why no light is passing through. And after experiment we will check the sheet once again. Okay, so let us put the experiment. See the dielectric material placed in between two electrodes. One is lower one and other is upper one is ground terminal and lower one is the phase. So this two terminal is kept in between and between two electrode dielectric material leatherized sheet is placed, and we will gradually increase the voltage. And when the system, and we have to, this is HT high tension on, this is mains on, and this is HT on. Now it is HT off. If we press this, then this HT will on and this light will glow. So this HT is on, and if we gradually increase the voltage, and then we will see so take the reading 20.6 kV reading, kV AC voltage, and we are increasing the voltage and the value is decreasing. See, this is 19 point, this is 19.8, data is 19.8, 19.7, and that means it's at 19.7 this puncture is occurred, and it was 20, so highest voltage was set at 20 kV. That means 20 minus 19.7, that means this 0.3 kV with this voltage, it is punctured. And let us see what happened. So first we have to decrease the voltage and switch it off, then we can check the condition. See, here the light is see, there is a needle hole you will able to visualize here at the middle point near to here is able to light is passing. That means this is punctured. So with this voltage it is punctured, and it's a paper, so its dielectric strength is very less. Now we'll take one polythene sheet, and similarly we can take the mica sheet. Now we'll check one polythene sheet and we will see its dielectric strength is used and it needs huge voltage to break down. Let us see that. Okay, first see the mica sheet. We place the mica sheet. At the bottom there is one electrode and the other electrode is, with the weight it is placed here, and we will gradually increase the voltage. So with increase the voltage, gradually switch it on and gradually increase the voltage. See is increasing the voltage, and here H2 is on. It is 20.9 kV. It is started from 20.9 kV or around 21 kV, and it is, see that passing is started, and now it's punctured, and it's 13, its voltage is around 13.1. That means around 7 kV is required for this punctured. And now we will see another test material, and that is another test material we will see, that is polythene sheets. Its dielectric strength is much more than others. So placed is the two. Okay, again switch on, and we'll start another sample test. Switch on, HT on. It's not in 0. Make it 0 and then switch on. Okay, switch on. Now gradually increase the voltage. It is started with 1.2 kV. Okay, set voltage is like that. Now gradually increase the voltage. Little bit increase. Increase further. See, breakdown may occur here. Increase it further. casually. Now it's puncture. Okay. At 22 kV around, it's punctured. Okay, so we know the thickness, we know the BDB, and from BDB and thickness we can find out the dielectric strength. That means BDB per mm is the dielectric strength, and we know the thickness, we know the BDB breakdown voltage, and from this we will get the dielectric strength of this insulating material. Once again, if it is punctured, then you will able to visualize the it's needle hole. That's so okay. See, this is the puncture. Okay, so